What's up, Tree of Lifers? This is Malenko, Tree of Life Resource Calculator creator. I'm back with all new features of version 4.0. You can find information about it on different Twitter sites. You can go to Play Tree of Life, where they post updates on the calculator and everything. You can follow the FWCP, which is the actual Twitter page, the official Twitter page of my development of the calculator. You can come here and see what I'm working on and what needs fixed. You can post tweets to me to let me know of anything that needs fixed, and I can get it fixed and pushed out to you. You can visit my Twitter, and over here on the side, if you go to my Twitter page in the Steam community, if you follow that link, it takes you to the guide and where to download and everything. At the official Twitter page of the game, which is Play Tree of Life, you can visit their page and give them some love. They usually post all my updates. They retweet. You can go to my GitHub page, which is github.com. Malenko-Tree-of-Life/TOLRC-build. The download link is the TOLRC installer MSI. You click on it, you can download here and install it. Let's see, I'm going to show you the new features and everything here. So here I am in game. The first thing you need to do is, if you're new to downloading this, you go to Options, you set borderless window, you set the size of your screen, you hit Apply, and then the actual calculator becomes an overlay once you start it. You can dock it. I'm going to dock, that way it becomes literally part of the game almost. You can walk around and you can come up here and go recipe lookup. Some of the new databases I've added are healing, logging, mining, and fishing. To demonstrate, I can go here into carpentry, and let's say I want to create some iron flat bows. I want to make 5, so I can type in 5 here and calculate. It tells me how many resources I need to make 5 iron flat bows. Another neat features, it copies to clipboard, so if I have writing material, which my wife looks like she's taking all my writing material, you can actually open a piece of writing material and Control V to paste, and it will paste this recipe list so you can create it and give it to somebody to go out farming. Another really cool feature, resource lookup. If you want to find out inside of carpentry what takes iron ingots, so I can click it and it tells me that the following recipes contain iron ingot: the elder's vault, scaffold, flat bow, long bow, reflex blow, patio lamp pack, and so on and so forth. Another really neat feature is you can look up buffs. You can look up by the effects. Critical chance, what recipe makes this? Carrot soup does. How about defense by 15? Click on it. Oh, French fries will give me 15 defense, which is pretty neat. You can also look up the recipes for the buffs. Let's say you want to make garlic soup. Buff lookup tells me that the critical rate is by 7%. The duration is 15 minutes, and the buff name is called Hard Blow, which is pretty neat stuff. Now, another new feature I have added to 4.0 was an interactive map. I think this makes it a lot easier for people. A lot of people ask where to find certain stuff, so I've added this feature. You hit interactive map, and this is all your resources. Basically, one of the common ones is, where do you get goblin wood? Well, if you click on goblin wood, nice little map pops up. Shows you that Black Drake Desert, Black Fang Mountains, and Flaming Bowl is the places where you can go and harvest goblin wood. Let's say if I need granite, if I click on granite, Buckteeth Mountains, Abandoned Hill has it. How about Silkworm Cocoons, Goddess Retreat, Forest of Looters, Forgotten Island, Mithril, Flaming Bowl, of course, that's where everybody goes and gets ganked. Mussels, Swamp Mouth, unfortunately, is the only place that has mussels. Lavender is not even in game, but Greedy Man's has lavender. It's really neat. Pumpkins. Creepers are everywhere, so basically everywhere is going to show up. Spores, black flowers, red flowers, yellow flowers, and so on and so forth. It's very, very quick. Haven't found any bugs, which is a good thing. We don't like bugs, right? So you can close this up. Recipe lookup again. Do logging. Ebony plank. Need to make 5. Must be level 25 to make it and build it. Need 10 ebony firewood to make them, which is pretty neat. Buffs again. Everything's really quick. Also, I can undock. I can drag it over here if I want. I can dock it, and now it's in the middle of my screen. Still have your map that pops up, which is pretty neat. Dock again. Anytime there's a new update to the version, whenever I push it to GitHub, this program checks like every minute, and it's only for a quick second. It checks GitHub for any new version that I have updated. Whenever there is a new version, you will get a message pop up saying that there's a new version available. Do you wish to update? You can say no, yes. If you say no, it shows up here as new update, and it shows up in green, so you can always come back here and click it, and it will download the new update, and it'll ask you if you want to install it now, and you say yes, and it'll close it out. It'll reinstall the program to the new version. It'll clean it all up, and it'll add a nice little icon on your desktop, which is 2 little palm trees, which will look like this right here. So let's say I dock this and I just want to get it off my screen. I can hit hide, and it will dock into a little icon up here in the top here. So it's completely out of my way, so it doesn't obstruct my view of anything. I can click the palm tree again, bring it back up, check my recipes again, which is really neat. I need to make 5, which is very quick. Close it. I can hide it again, go back about my business. Really cool stuff. I've also including credits to everybody that's helped put this together. It's basically scrolling credits. I know this says 3.0. I just haven't updated the graphics, and I don't want to push an update just for that yet. Thanks to the Odd One Games, my wife, CM Cirrus, all the people that's helped put all the spreadsheets together that I used the data from. Really appreciate everyone's hard work. You guys have put an extreme effort into getting this to the community and allowing the community to collaborate on projects and so forth and whatever, and allowed me to build this. Thanks to Guild Dark, I'm on the American server on the Knights of Roses faction. I have no beef with anybody. I get along with everybody. I'm so glad that everybody is still hanging in there, even despite all the bugs in the game. I encourage everybody to just kind of hang in there. I feel like there's some good things coming, and things will get fixed. This is, trial and error. Things take time. Just hang in there. Do the best you can, and I promise you good things are coming. Alright, y'all, that's everything from me. If you have any questions, like I said, you can contact me on YouTube. You can get me on Twitter. You can find me in the official Discord chat. The devs have made an official post about the new Discord channel. I encourage everybody to join in there so you can ask questions, talk to the customer managers, just whatever. I'm on there under Malenko. Send me a message on there. You can email me at the fwcp@gmail.com, or in the Steam guides section. I will post the links to all this stuff so you can come over here to the guides and actually find the calculator for Windows, which kind of gives you brief features and everything, but it really does not do it justice until you see the video or you're actually using it. This video here will be replaced to the new one I'm just making here. So y'all have a great evening. Just hang in there, like I said, and party on. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.